This is going to be the start of a vlog. I'm going to Cedar Point today. The very first time ever. So yeah, it looks like I gotta charge a battery for this, so who knows how long this is going to be. But I'm really excited. Hope to ride Maverick, Steel Vengeance, and all those other rides. Alright, so I just got off a Raptor. Rather liked it. It needs to warm up a bit, but rather liked it. There's Dragster still closed. So now I'm heading to Magnum because that's open. Also got a Vaseline just in case. I don't know if I'll need it. Maybe not, but good idea to get one. I want to try and ride everything in a day. All the coasters, that is. Alright, so I just got off a Raptor. Rather liked it. It needs to warm up a bit, but rather liked it. There's Dragster still closed. So now I'm heading to Magnum because that's open. Also got a Vaseline just in case. I don't know if I'll need it. Maybe not, but good idea to get one. I want to try and ride everything in a day. All the coasters, that is. I got off Steel Vengeance a little while ago. It was okay. Probably needs to warm up a little, but I liked it. Second best one I've done so far behind Maverick. Maverick was phenomenal. I did also did Gemini both sides. I think I liked blue side a little bit more. Now I'm doing corkscrews, and you see how bad it is. Alright, so I just did Cedar Downs. So why I do it? Because it's faster ground. I like things that go fast. I had to name my horse dog food for some reason. As a joke. Now I'm going to meet up with Texas Coasters on Instagram, and so it's day 2. I'm only going to be here maybe half a day. Supposed to get pictures, and I'll probably scrap video. Can get video next time I'm here. A little disappointing, but I really want to get more rides on everything, especially Maverick, and probably Millennium and maybe Magnum. Not so much Steel Vengeance because that's down right now, and it'll get a really long line, and I don't have that long before I gotta leave. I'm in the arcade now, and take a look at this. This is a really cool model of it. This is insane. I wonder how many hours it took someone to put that together, or a team of people. Alright, so I got some re-rides, pictures, no video, and I can do any off-ride stuff from here until like next year. But I'm gonna get back to Q. Here is really good. Let's see if it's worth the hype. Alright, so I just left for the day. I'm gonna head home. A little disappointed I had to head home because this place is really great. I actually love it. And to get pictures from across the water. And I'm gonna head home, and this will probably be the end unless I end it across the bay at harbor there, and there goes Gatekeeper. Okay, so I'm at Battery Park Marina. I got my tripod here, and I'm gonna try and capture some distant shots of Cedar Point and post them up to my Instagram. Link is down below for it. I'm probably gonna head out after this and go home, and I probably might go to Indian Beach at some point, and definitely Six Flags Great America, maybe St. Louis, but I don't know about that one yet.